Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Power Up. Imagine being able to produce a song cover with vocals so realistic, your audience will think it's a human singing. That's the power of Musicfy. Today, I will talk about this best AI song cover generator that's changing the game for musicians and creators interested in music production. So how does Musicfy create stunning song covers? Let's break it down. First, you'll need to go to the Musicfy website and create your account. Once you're logged in, choose Convert Voice. Then you can either upload an audio, record audio, or add a YouTube link. This is the audio that I want to make a song cover.
You never tell me that you love me. Oh, what a mess of me you've made.
Next, select your AI singer voice. If you want to make royalty-free music, select royalty-free. Here comes lots of music artists to choose. Click the one you like.
But it feels just a little bit bigger now.
Then you can click the advanced settings to customize your track settings. After that, click Generate to start creating the track. Within seconds, you'll have a professionally sounding vocal track ready to be mixed into your cover.
No, you never tell me that you love me. Oh, what a mess of me you've made. No, you won't make it all better.
And there you have it. An excellent song cover created effortlessly with the help of an AI singing voice. Now, what do you think about using AI in music production? Is it the future, or do you prefer the traditional methods? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you find it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible AI tools. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.